Balikan ninyo guys, first time ako masakay ng
My name is
plano.
Alexander, and joining me on the flight deck this morning, Captain. On behalf of Qatar Airways and my entire excellent crew, I would like to welcome you on board.
Company alert.
This aircraft type Airbus A380-800 Super Jumbo. Our flight 010 to Doha Hamad International Airport, Qatar. Our expected flight time will be today 6 hours, and we shall be cruising initially at an altitude of 39,000 feet, then climb to an altitude of 41,000 feet over Turkey. We are expecting generally good weather condition during the flight. For your safety, please ensure that you have your seatbelt fastened at all time, even if the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Just prior to our descent, I will update you with the latest weather condition and